Hey Omenimot, it's your Morala Omenut, Ava and Iggy Pop. Say hi, Iggy. I am, as you can tell, not at home today. Not working from home. I am working from the park. We are gonna be making a chalk art piece, hopscotch, counting the Omer hopscotch. So I thought of this because we are counting the Omer during these 7 weeks between Passover, which we just celebrated, and Shavuot, which is the next big holiday, 7 weeks away. In Passover, we celebrated being freed, the Israelites being freed from Egypt. Then these 7 weeks, we are wandering through the desert. And then at Shavuot is when the Israelites received the Torah, the 10 Commandments, on top of Mt Sinai with Moses in the lead. And that's a big deal, right? Traditionally, we would make a sacrifice of of barley at the temple, but since we don't do sacrifices anymore, we count and say blessings. And so I thought we could count the Omer with our whole bodies for these 49 days, right? Because 7 weeks times 7 days each week equals 49 days total. And I thought we could make a visual representation of these 49 days that is also a playable hopscotch game. And yeah, let's get started. For this project, you'll need sidewalk chalk. I just got it at the local pharmacy. A really smooth, flat ground that is in a safe place. I'm getting started here by making hopscotch numbers. These are squares. Sometimes they are 1 at a time. Sometimes they are 2 at a time. And I'm switching colors every 7 squares so that each color is 1 week's worth of numbers. And you can see I am making the squares sort of zigzag back and forth, up and up into a sort of mountain shape because we received the Torah on Mt Sinai, on the top of Mt Sinai. And so I made a mountain shape, I outlined it, I put 50 at the top for Shavuot. Day 50 is Shavuot. I put Pesach before the number 1, and I'm decorating with barley. I made the 10 Commandments on the top and illustrated the thunder and lightning that God sent down when we received the 10 Commandments. And now you can play. You can practice saying the blessing over the counting of the Omer. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu al sefirat haomer. Bless you, God, who commanded us to count the Omer. Hayom yom 11 la'omer. Today is the 11th day of the Omer, which is the day that I am recording this. Okay, Omenimo, thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy counting the Omer with your bodies and with art. And today is our last Omenut for the year until next fall. So I'm gonna miss you. Keep in touch. Thank you so much for joining me on this Omenut journey this year, and I can't wait for next year. Ciao.